Hello everybody. Today I can classify triangles by their angles and congruence using the given definitions and algebra. So we're going to basically do what we did yesterday, but now we're going to incorporate algebra into it. We need to know our different definitions, which we spoke about in the previous video. So in order to classify a triangle, first off, I need to know what the angles are. So if they give me algebraic expressions, since I know that the angles of a triangle have to add to 180, I do angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees. From here, we do the algebra. We combine like terms. 3x, 4x, and 3x is 10x. Negative 19 and negative 1 is negative 20 equals 180. I isolate, add or subtract first, divide last, and I get my x value to be 20. Now that I have my x value, I'm going to substitute in to each of the original expressions. So I have 3 times 20. I've got 4 times 20 minus 19. I've got 3 times 20 minus 1. That gives me 60, 61, 59. Use the calculator if you need to. They're all different, so it's scalene. They're all less than 90, so it's acute. This triangle is acute and scalene. The only one that's there is choice 3, acute. So I know the angles of a triangle add to 180, so we add our expressions to equal 180. I do the algebra to solve for x, and once I have that, I substitute that value into each of the expressions. Once I have the 3 angles, it's the same as we did in the previous lesson. This was supposed to be 2 to 2 to 5. So let's take a look at this one. And I think the choices were a little bit different as well. So first off, whenever we see, let me just make it a little bit neater. Whenever we see a ratio, put an x behind it. That does not just apply in this unit, it applies in any unit. If you see a ratio, put an x behind it. So my expressions for my triangles are 2x, 2x, and 5x. So I do 2x plus 2x plus 5x equals 180. There's a small issue I'm fixing here. Good. So now I do the algebra. 2x, 2x, and 5x is 9x equals 180. Divide by 9, divide by 9, x is 20. Now that I have my x value, I'm going to substitute those into the original expressions. 2x, 2x, and 5x. 2 times 20 equals 40. 2 times 20 equals 40. 5 times 20 equals 100. 2 of them are the same. That makes it isosceles. One of them is more than 90. That makes it obtuse. It's an isosceles, an obtuse triangle. The one that's there is choice. So that's the gist of this lesson. If they give you expressions to represent the angles of a triangle, or they give you that they're in a given ratio, for a ratio, just put an x behind them. Add the expressions to equal 180. Solve the equation for x, substitute that value into the expressions, and from there, classify the triangle the same way you did before. Practice, complete the assignment, and have a nice day.